Hello there, this is the Baofeng UV-5R handheld transceiver and its very first factory default settings and memory channels. The memory channels are previously installed from channel 1 to channel 21, and with this device you can store up to 128 memory channels. The camouflage version of this device comes with a frequency range from 136 to 174 MHz and 400 to 520 MHz. So let's have a look at the menu. Frequency step, transmit power, battery safe, voice operated transmission on wide narrow band, display illumination, dual watch, keypad beep, transmission timer, reception digital codec squelch, reception continuous tone codec squelch, transmission digital codec squelch, transmission continuous tone codec squelch, voice prompt, automatic number identification, DTMF tone code transmitting, signal code, scan resume method, press or release PTT signal code, PTT delay signal code sending, under channel mode, A channel displays, and next B channel displays, busy channel lockout, keypad auto lock, direction of frequency shift, memory channel storage, delete memory channel, standby display color, reception display color, transmitting display color, alarm mode, band selection, transmitting selection via the watch, tail tone elimination for repeater, delay the tail tone of repeater, boot display, Roger beep on off, and reset. And finally we got the squelch option on menu point 0.